Imagine yourself in this 2005 Mitsubishi Endeavor. Everything you need under one roof with this great vehicle. The powertrain includes front-wheel drive with a solid 6-cylinder engine that responds smoothly to its automatic transmission. Savor your listening experience with the premium sound system. Brake safely with the anti-lock braking system. Let the outside in with a power sunroof. This vehicle comes with a Carfax report, which reduces your buying risk by providing the vehicle's history before you purchase. And with these notable features, you won't want to miss out on the opportunity to own this amazing ride. Keyless entry, leather seats, power door locks, power windows, cruise control, an AM/FM stereo with multi-disc CD player, power mirrors. If safety is a high priority, rest assured knowing that these top safety components are included: front ventilated disc brakes, passenger airbag, side airbag, traction control, daytime running lights, low tire pressure warning, independent suspension. Our website offers more information on all of our vehicles. Call us today to start test driving.